Today we are working on Excel Expert Lesson 1, the 6th lesson, applying international currency and number formats. So with the consolidated income numeric open, select cells D5 to D13, this London column. We're going to open up the number format dialog box. If necessary, select the number tab and then select currency. And then click the drop down for symbol, and we're going to click the, I don't know if that's a pound sign, I'm not sure what that is called, but we want to find this right here, English United Kingdom. In the negative numbers list box, select the option at the bottom. Displays both negative sign and red font, so it's this one right here, and then click OK. Your sheet should now look similar to this, and you can see that ours, or mine does, hopefully yours does. So mark that as answered. For cells C5 through C13, C5 through C13, display the Format Cells dialog box. Format Cells dialog box. And with the currency selected, select the R English South Africa currency option, about 1/2 down the long list. So let's look for R English South Africa. It's a long list. There's a lot of places in the world. R English South Africa. There it is. Click OK. You can see that it changed it to that. For H5 through H13, we're going to repeat the previous step. But we're going to use Y Japanese. Wish they'd have given me a hint on how far down that is. If you see it before I do, just let me know. I hear crickets. I'm thinking I passed it. Yep. Why Japanese? Why, oh why, oh why are you so hard to find? And if I knew how to type that symbol, I would do that, but I don't. Oh, there it is. Why Japanese? Click OK. And you can see that it put that number format in there. So the numbers in columns E, F, and G all use the same currency, even though they're different countries. To help differentiate these columns, you can customize the currency symbol as US $, C $, and A $. So we're going to first select cells E5 through E13. Open up the dialog box. In the custom category, change the custom format in the type field to this long thing, so you know that I'm going to copy and paste that. Control C, Control V, and click OK. For F5 through F15, or F13, excuse me, change the custom format. So we'll go back here, custom, to this, Control C. Control V. Click OK. Repeat step 3 for G5 through G13. G5 through G13. So step 3 was in the custom category. Change it to that. So we are going to copy this. Control C. Control V. Click OK. Select B5 through B13. B5 through B13. We're just going to change it to currency. Click OK. Your sheet should now look like the following. So let's see if mine looks like that. That column looks right. That column looks right. That column looks right. That one looks right. That one looks right. That one looks right. And that one looks right. So mark that as answered. Submit. Looking for 2 green checks. You can see we did that correct. So this completes applying international currency and number formats.